Hey everybody, this is Dan at the OptiCoat Training Center, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your vehicle's window using the Optimum Glass Cleaner and Protected, and show you how we can go a step beyond with the Opti Glass coating. So let's just get started here, and I'm going to take my glass towel that's designed specifically for cleaning your vehicle's glass. We're going to take the Optimum Glass Clean and Protect, and all we need is a simple few sprays on the surface to make sure we got enough product there. Now we're just going to take our glass towel and we're going to buff over this glass to ensure that we get everything off and clean over this. And then we'll take and flip our towel over to the clean side, follow up over our edges here, and clean up over the rest to ensure proper coverage. And it is as simple as that to be able to clean the glass on your vehicle with Optimum Glass Clean and Protect. But what if we want to take it a step further? What if we want something that has more easeability in cleaning and gives more hydrophobic properties and protection? I'm going to show you how simple it is to add a ceramic coating for your glass on top of that. In this process, we're going to use three products. The Optimum Glass Clean and Protect, that's going to make sure we have a clean surface, but we want to go beyond that because we want a surgical clean surface for the proper bonding of that coating. So we're going to use Optimum Paint Prep, and then after that, we're going to follow up with Opti Glass Coating that's going to seal the glass and give you months of hydrophobic performance. And I'm going to show you how over here on the vehicle. We've already cleaned the glass with the Optimum Glass Clean and Protect, but we want to make sure we get that final step. So we're going to take Optimum Paint Prep and give 3 sprays over the glass, and then we're going to take our glass towel and just buff over that surface to get the product worked over that glass evenly. Then we're going to flip our towel over to the dry side. We're just going to go back over to make sure that we got it evenly spread and the surface is dry. So now we're going to put that back onto the cart. We're going to grab our Opti Glass coating. And with this product, it's very simple to apply. You want to just do 3 to 4 sprays of the product onto your applicator. You're going to want to apply the coating in a circular motion to ensure a proper coverage. And as you got the 3 to 4 sprays on the surface, you spread it out until not much more goes on the surface. And then we're going to want to take and apply 3 more sprays. And starting back off where we left off on the glass, continue on applying in a circular motion. This will ensure that we have a proper coverage over the glass so that we get a beautiful performance and longevity out of this glass coating. So what I'm going to do is I like to follow up with one more swoop, just going up and down to ensure that we have an absolute complete coverage over the windshield. Now we're just going to sit back, wait for a few minutes, allow that coating to cure, and then we're going to come back and remove any residue that might be left behind. So we've allowed the coating to cure for the 2 minutes that is allotted. And now what we want to do is take our mixture of Optimum No Rinse, have a towel in there nice and damp. We're going to wring it out. We don't want it soaking wet. We want it just enough to where we are going to be able to use it to wipe off that residue effectively. So taking our damp towel, we'll simply just take and wipe over the surface of the glass where we have the coated applied, and you're going to wipe off that residue. And as you can see on the surface, the glass coating is on the surface and we have hydrophobic properties. And now what we want to do is we want to take our waffle weave drying towel and we want to dry off the glass just to make sure that we have everything clean and clear. And it is that easy to apply the OptiGlass coating to the windshield of your vehicle. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And for more, like, follow, and share, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.